Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On today's video, we're going to make a drink called the DeLorean. And in this drink, it's a gin-based drink that incorporates some blue curaçao and lime juice and some sugar, right? So it doesn't specifically say what type of gin to use. So I'm going to use some of this aviation gin just because, right? First things first, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of gin. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of blue curaçao. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of lime juice. Freshly squeezed. And last, we're going to add a bar spoon of sugar. The recipe calls for a package of sugar, which is about a bar spoon. So I'm going to give this a good stir to dissolve the sugar. Guess if you didn't want to do this, you could use simple syrup also. But we're going to stick to as close to the recipe as we can. I'm not going to add ice and stir it because I want to just pour it straight over the ice. And there you go. Got it. A DeLorean. Not to be confused with the Back to the Future DeLorean, but this DeLorean. Maybe it'll be in your future. How about that? I like sour. Nice sour. The gin is perfect in it. You taste the blue curaçao and the lime juice, right? A nice citrusy background to it with the gin. It's awesome. It's a pretty good drink. I like it a lot. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.